Hi, I'm Christine Villamora, and I'm the principal designer of CMV Interior Designs. Ang naging inspiration namin for this project is basically yung mga existing artworks na meron yung client namin. She showed us yung artwork na gusto niyang incorporate namin sa design. So, we draw our inspiration from the colors na meron dun sa artwork na yun. And we felt that we really want to have a connection from the color scheme that we have and to connect dun sa artwork na meron yung client namin. When you enter the living room, nagkaroon kami ng mga gold accent and then with also some details, small details na meron mga gray tones and shades of beige. Kasi yun yung pinaka-color tone ng artwork ng client namin. So, from there, yun yung nag-inspiration namin. All throughout from going to the dining, and then dun sa pinaka-living room TV console namin. And then when you enter naman dun sa may kitchen, so yung pinaka-unit kasi, meron na siyang existing kitchen cabinets. So we really want to have a connection from the existing cabinet na gustong i-maintain ng client namin. All throughout dun sa open plan or open space, meron like, kita kasi siya from dining to living. So gusto namin, lahat sila connected. Yun na yung parang ginawa namin starting point where we match our three areas, which is the living, dining, and the kitchen. When we saw the existing bedroom, initially nasa other side yung headboard. We really want na when you enter the bedroom or the master bedroom, something na mag-welcome sa'yo yung accent piece ng headboard ng master bedroom. Saying that you're welcome to your sanctuary, welcome to your relaxing place. Yun yung pinaka-intention namin to have and to experience ng client namin there. So sa other side naman ng master bedroom, we designed this TV module sa bedroom na yun. We incorporate na dun yung mga shelvings for decors and personal items ng aming client. And then also, dun na rin naka-incorporate yung pinaka-workstation na every time na nandun sila sa bedroom, they can still have this small space to work. For the guest bedroom, yung pinaka-focus namin doon is to have a very nice and relaxing vibe. So, yung pinaka-color scheme namin doon, basically neutral colors, and then yung beddings, we really want to have a connection between the art pieces and decorations to match with our beddings. And dun sa overall theme ng room na yun. So for the materials, during the design process, we use this marble-looking laminate. So we really want to have the look na stone siya, pero at the same time, hindi siya sobrang heavy and madali siyang install, especially sa backdrop ng aming TV. So we use this material. It looks like a real marble. Basically, it's a laminate finish where they put this material on top of the ply. For the other materials naman, so we use this wood slats. It's basically made of PVC, but it has a finish, a wood finish na. Naging mabilis yung turnover ng project na to kasi we use materials na meron na siyang colors or finish na parang pag in-install siya, meron na siya agad colors and treatment. So, hindi na siya kailangan ng curing time and all of it. And so, we achieve yung pinaka-target ng client namin na ang timeline is 45 working days. During the design process, when minimension ng client namin yung kanilang target timeline, as a designer, we're very critical on selecting materials and finishes. Like, katulad na itong wood panel na to, we installed it sa ceiling. And then itong wood panel na to is made of PVC, so hindi siya madaling maanay. Feels like a real wood, pero meron siyang characteristic na madaling i-maintain. Isa yun sa mga consideration namin when we're designing. We feel na mas makaka-squeeze in yung timeline to syempre achieve yung pinaka-goal ng client namin, which is maka-move in agad dun sa kanilang preferred day. So very hectic and very strict yung timeline namin for this project because we really want to give our client a very elegant, luxurious condo unit. All of the items that we select for this project is yung mga ready available sa market. Something na mabilis namin siyang ma-procure or ma-provide sa project kasi yung project na to, very specific kami dun sa fittings, very specific kami dun sa finish, and even sa fabric ng sofa, chairs. So, lahat ng items na yon, talagang sinelect namin siya piece by piece, and then personally visit yung mga shops na pinuntahan namin to check na if this chair is very acceptable or will work on our design, and syempre pinapa-approve din namin to sa client. So lahat ng nilagay namin here is from different stores, from different brands, hand-picked lahat ng items. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I really hope na inspire namin ulit kayo to work on with your future dream home. And to know more about our company, you may visit our website at www.christinemanalo-villamora.com. Wait, guys, I have to take this one. See you later after.